we're going to KFC. And, yeah. Everything so casual. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi, Dano.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Legacy.
KFC.
Zo'n losse burger.
Ja. Dat was het.
Dat was het.
32,50 gram en zo.
Dankjewel.
Hi guys. So, 6:50. Papunta na ako ng Amsterdam Central. Balik ng Brussels. So, ayun. Grabe, I really had a nice holidays. Grabe, sobra akong na-miss. Na-miss ko to sobra. Till next time. It's been a while and aalis na naman ako. Pati, so time check, kay 8 o'clock p.m. January 2. And nandito na ako sa Amsterdam Central. Kasi dito alis yung train ko going to Brussels. And, umuulan. Gusto ko sanang mag-ikot muna saglit sa Amsterdam Central. Pero, ayun, dahil dyan, 1 hour mahigit ako maghihintay. Nandito lang. Ayun. Tapos, naiwan ko yung scarf ko. I'm a bit sad kasi favorite scarf ko yun. Tapos, naiwan ko. Sino ang matutuwa sa ganyang weather? Ay. Yan o. May train na pero hindi yan yung train ko. Napakaaga ko. Like 1 hour. Dito lang ako. Maghihintay lang. Grabe. Hindi pa rin ako maka-over. Siguro dadaldal na lang ako. I would just like to say thank you. As in, thank you so much. Kina Tito Per, lalo na. Kina Ninang. Kina Oma. Lalo na kay Oma yung mga masarap niyang niluto. And kay Tita Glenda, kay Tita Joanne. Sa mga friends ko, kay Ate Bam, Kuya Adam, Ate Krisha, Martin, Ate Ivy. Guys, thank you for spending the holidays with me. As in, super saya ko. Super. As in. And, yeah, I'm going back home. To my third home. We'll see. Yeah, hindi pa rin ako makaget over dun sa scarf kasi, yeah, it has some kind of sentimental value. And, I told my sister about it. She said maybe it was really meant to happen that I left that scarf. Anyway, it's good. Time check, 8:48. And nandito na yung train ko. Pabalik. Ayun lang. Feeling ko, iidlip ako sa train. Kasi I'm really tired. Anyhow, ayun lang. Here we go. Goodbye, NL. Grabe, na-miss kita, NL. Sobra, as in. Till we meet again. Char! Hi, guys. So, grabe. Time check. 9:30. And, yeah. This wasn't my train. I'm supposed to go back home by Talis. But, yeah. Buti na lang. Good thing. SNCB. And there's the Talis driver who helped me. He was my guardian angel tonight. As in, he was my guardian angel because if I wouldn't be able to take this train, the next train would be tomorrow, and I need to go back home tonight. So, yeah. I was really almost crying earlier because I thought I won't be able to come home. But here I am now. What a lesson learned. Yeah, I was shocked when I took off the train and then we are in the parking already. I was like, oh shit, no, this is not my destination. So yeah, but good thing there were 2 angels who saved me tonight, to help me tonight. And yeah. Grabe, sabi ko. 2022. Day 2 pa lang ng 2022. Grabe na yung nangyari sa akin. But anyway, hi, thank you Lord. Thank you for sending some angels. Feeling ko, papahinga muna ako. Hindi na ako makapag-vlog mamaya. Distract ako kanina. Kasi ang aga-aga kong dumating dun sa Central. Tapos, akala ko maaga rin yung train. Yun pala, hindi maaga yung train. Next time, talaga, susundin ko na. Kung 9:15, 9:15. Basta lesson learned. Anyway, yun lang guys. Pag-party, January 3 na. 12:18 a.m. and nasa Central Station na ako, which is good. So, yeah, grabe. Ako yung nag-iisa. Solo ko na naman ang mundo. Char. Time check, 12:51 and yeah, I'm walking na. Malapit na ako sa bahay. Grabe yun, tignan niyo. Sobrang tahimik ng kalsada. Anyway, malapit na ako makauwi. Ayun, time check, 1:07 a.m. and pahinga lang ako saglit. Then, I'll take a bath. Then, I'll prepare my things for tomorrow for the whole week in France. So, yeah. Yeah. Grabe, kapagod. Pero, yeah, carry naman.